A short review on Crypto.com, the world's premium crypto trading platform. Buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and 400 plus crypto on this website or platform. Trade with 20 plus currencies from Apple or Google Pay, leader in regulatory compliance, and trusted by over 140 million users worldwide. As you can see, the website interface that quite look that is amazing, that is look so developed. And yes, if we talk about that, you should use it or not, then my suggestion will be you can surely give it a try. There's nothing in giving a try. So you can simply use crypto.com in order to, if you're more interested in crypto, there is a best application or software to trade for cryptocurrencies and money management. Now you can create an account on the official website. Also, you can download their application on App Store or your Android or your PC. Now you can see the user, the website is quite good. So there is a yes from my side. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please subscribe.